In this video, I'll show you how you can save games on your R36s game console. Now, let's say, for instance, you're in a gameplay and you'd like to save it. All you have to do is press and hold the select button and then press the R1 button, and that will save the game progress. So press and hold select and then R1 button, here it is. Press it and you can see saved state to that particular slot. That means that you have saved your particular game, or you have saved your game. So press and hold select and then the R1 button to save any game on this console. Now let's say, for instance, you'd like to load that saved game on your R36s. So launch the game, and then to load it you have to press and hold select, and then instead of R1 you press L1. So press and hold select and then L1 button. And then once you press it, you should see loaded state from that particular slot. And that's basically it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.